Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the mini tote bag from Trader Joe's. So let's get started. To draw this cute bag, let's first start by drawing a big rectangle. So I'm going to start right here and just go all the way across. And say about right there will end. And then I'm going to come down, just round off the corners a little bit so it's not so harsh, and come down. So as I come down, it's a little bit harder, so I'm just going to take my time here, look at my camera, make sure I'm going down as straight as possible. And let's say about right there. And so same thing here, just round it off a little bit and come down. And about right there. So we're about the same height on both sides. Then from there, we can go ahead and let's see. Actually, this one's needs to be a little bit lower. Okay, so then from there, we can go ahead and connect it. Just like the top. There, now we have a rectangle. Then from there, let's draw the bottom. So I'm going to come here and just angle in. Just say about right there, and same thing here. Then we just want to end it about the same height as the other side. And once again, connect it. There. And then we need to draw the straps. So I'll come in, say about this much, and go straight down. So I'm just following that, so it's just a little bit easier now. You know, I have a guide. And about this thick, draw another line. And so we want to do the same thing on the other side. So about this much distance, just like the other side. So say about right here, I'm going to start my other strap. Come straight down. And once again, about this thick. And then with these straps, we need to draw the handle. So I'm going to use these points as my guide. I'm going to go up. Let's see here. Let's go this way first. We're going to go up, straight, and then we're going to curve around. Let's see here, all the way across. And then we're going to bring it all the way down here. And then on this side, you can do the same thing here. You can just make it nice and round if you like. But on this side, I thought it'd be kind of nice to just give it a little bit, make it a little bit different. So I'm just going to wobble a little bit before I bring it in. Then let's come about right here, and we're going to draw another curve and then another line to bring this part in. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to wobble. Just wobble a little bit and then bring it in. And then about right here, we need to draw another curve all the way across and over. There, so hopefully that looks like a handle. And calm this curve a little bit. It's a little too much. Okay, there. So hopefully now it's starting to look like the Trader Joe's bag. And then let's say about right here, a little bit below center, because I need some room for my Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to start about right here and just draw a line across for where the logo is. I believe this is a pocket, right? So we have a line going across. And then if you like, just to make it look more like a bag, and go across, just following that line and draw tiny little lines just to make it look like stitches. So I think it just adds, same thing here. I think these are just the more important stitches to draw to make it look like a bag. And of course you don't have to use, if you're using a Sharpie, don't use the Sharpie to make these lines. I just wanted to show you. You can use the color of the bag. You want to draw these little lines to make it more subtle. But I'll just leave it like that. And then we need to draw the Trader Joe's logo. So in this area right here, about in the center, I'm going to go ahead and start with a curve. So as if you're drawing a circle. So I'm going to start with a curve right about here in the center. And then I'm just going to write the words Trader Joe's. So looking at the logo, where this curve is where we're going to start the R. I'm just trying my best to make it as accurate as possible, but without having to follow the exact font of the logo. So just write R-A-D, and then the E is about right here, and then the R starts right here where that curve is again. So same thing, and then we have our T right here. So I'll just go ahead and thicken this up. So Trader, and then Joe's is right, the J is right under the R. So let's just write J, and then O, E, and then apostrophe S. And then there's the other curve. So just right about here, the bottom curve. There, approximate. And then there's this little R registration mark right here. So I'll just put a little circle so hopefully you can see it to complete the look. Okay, so now we have our Trader Joe's mini tote, and you can decorate it however you like. But for me today, we're going to make it a Draw So Cute one. So I'm going to start about right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes, of course. And I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. And then to make them Draw So Cute eyes, let's come right here and put in 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And line a curve above each eye, and then a big smile, of course. So say about right here, just draw a big curve and cap it off there. And I thought it'd be really cute maybe to have some hands. So since I saw these stripes, I just felt it needed it. So I'm going to come to the center of this eye and come out, say about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve coming all the way across to about right here, and then I'm going to draw kind of these heart hands, so it's like a C, and then another one backwards. And so we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here, and we're going to curve all the way across there. This is just an idea. Hopefully you like it. And of course we need to add a heart right here. Nice big heart to make this my Draw So Cute mini tote bag from Trader Joe's. I really hope this drawing inspires you to decorate your own mini tote, and I've helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.